I just opened my new GUI GUI Huntrix Crunchy Slime. The scent is blackberry. It's a little bit of a chemical-y smell. There's boosters and some charms. This is the container. It also comes with glitter, but I didn't put that in. And watch our full video and I'll give you some more information on it.